We all thought this was the right way of folding pants. Well, let me teach you the new method. Alright, so I have with me two styles of pants. A brand new Guess jeans and also a pair of dress pants. So first I'm going to start out with the dress pants. What I want to do is fold it 1/3 of the way. Like so. Fold the legs in. And here's the neat part. I'm going to tuck it inside like a pocket. So it fits in there and it folds in half. And that's my nice square pants tucked away. Or you can make it round so you can store more. Anyway, that's a good way to fold it, especially for going on vacation trips. Put it in the luggage. All right, here's a pair of jeans, brand new, Guess jeans. Fold it similarly, tuck it in. Real nice. And this is a good way to, if you work for a department store, to show off the jeans. And there you have it, two easy way of folding pants or jeans. What I love about this new method is that it's tucked away so it doesn't fall out easily. See that? As opposed to the traditional way, if you unravel it, it just falls out, gets all messy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care of yourselves.